Today I'll be taking you on a tour of a beautiful home for sale in Chandler, Arizona. You have to see this one. If this is your first time to our channel, my name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team. We make videos all about Arizona. If you're thinking about moving in or to the Valley of the Sun, my contact information can be found down below. Okay, let's get on with the tour of this beautiful home in Chandler, Arizona. As promised, that was a beautiful home for sale in the Valley of the Sun. If you want more information and or a no obligation private tour, reach out to me. Again, my contact information can be found in the description below. Maybe you just want to surf all of the legally listed and currently available homes in Arizona. Our website is there as well. Take your time, enjoy. As a matter of fact, watch a couple other videos on our channel. We have Arizona hiking and golfing, the top 10 lakes, Phoenix real estate market updates. You name it, our channel has it. And if it doesn't, leave us a comment. We'll get right on making it for you. Until next time, please take care of yourself. God bless America. Talk to you soon.